Granada is one of the most touristic cities in Nicaragua. Thousands of tourists have gathered in this fantastic colonial city, which still retains all the details of an era. Fascinating at an architectural level, in its photogenic facades, which house almost 5 centuries of history.
Welcome to Travel is Worth It.
For newcomers, we're traveling from Argentina to Alaska in a 1960 ICA station wagon. We are sharing it on this channel. We were very eager to visit this highly recommended city. Today we are going to show you what the city of Granada is like, how we managed to cook in our house, van.
Why are we riding these horses?
What's the coolest museum we visited on the trip, and why? Did Cynthia end up feeling dizzy?
I'm feeling very dizzy, changing quickly at times.
But before,
We arrived in Granada exhausted and plan to spend the night there. Tomorrow we will tell you about the sensations of Granada, Nicaragua.
We have to find a place to sleep tonight.
well, we didn't sleep all night, because today's Sunday the carnivals begin. The streets were crowded with people in their cars, listening to music, and many were intoxicated. It was a discerning scene. What does discerning mean? If these types of cars were fuel efficient, they consumed a lot because they say they are designed to be fuel efficient. Then others who were talking about whether they could urinate intermittently, and they were scientifically talking nonsense, and so on all night. And well, we slept very little. We're going to look for another little place now and get to know a bit of Granada.
Priority donkeys.
And is within the industry.
To the right?
Good. Hey, in Granada, like here, fruits and vegetables are very cheap. Hey, we're going to prepare one of the breakfasts that we like the most on this trip, which is one we learned about in Colombia called huevos perico. Let's see how it turns out.
For those who ask us how we managed to cook in the station wagon, here we show you.
When we did the renovation of Estancia, which we shared in this video, we built this piece of furniture, which consists of an iron structure welded at 3 points to the sheet metal of the truck and covered with wood that we cut, painted, and placed ourselves. To cook, we have a 2-kilogram gas cylinder that we refill in each country. It lasts us between 1 and 2 months, but we don't make too elaborate meals. And as for heating water, we have the electric kettle. We save a lot, since most of the time we use the gas was to heat water. For mates or coffee, which are 2 things we love and drink daily. The gas cylinder has a small stove on top that fits perfectly inside this stainless steel salad bowl, which we drilled a hole in the center, just like we did in the sink, and that's it. That's how we solved the issue of cooking inside our little ranch house. Perico eggs, a delight. Could we be more comfortable here in the... There's no need to be sitting in the hallway, but the cautious fat woman is worth 5,000. She's going to prepare lunch now, right? Blonde?
I'll give it to you at noon.
It's very hot.
30 degrees, my blood pressure drops. This is chaos.
So breakfast is one thing, lunch is another, and now we're going to tour the city of Granada. Granada is the best preserved city in all of Nicaragua. The center of the city is quiet, pleasant, clean, and well maintained. And the historical buildings are restored and directed to the tourism. What's up, fatty?
The heat is exhausting. 35 degrees, how much is that?
What are we going to do? Rest or continue touring Granada?
We will walk step by step calmly.
Alright, Cynthia, I'm telling you to pass so that I can take the shot and make a little game in the video. Why are you changing the scheme on me?
Because if I'm not, it's all the same.
But later, with music, it's not noticeable. It's like more track after track. You understand? Was that the intention? Now, I don't know what to do with that shot. I don't know what to do with that shot. No, it's done. You know what? Let's not do it. Granada video is ready. Cocoa tea, thank you very much. Chocolate with rum, correct?
24% alcohol.
This is good for me. It lowers my blood pressure, doesn't it? Exactly.
Chocolate, coffee, and rum.
You're going to like that one.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was strong. Yes, of course. You're gonna feel it in a moment. What are you eating?
Is this a joke?
Is it illegal in Tarragona? Cynthia. Let's get started. To break the chocolate, the police, are they good?
It's delicious.
Next, what we have here is 50% chocolate, and this is 70% pure chocolate.
What do you think? Pure chocolate, is it good?
70%. What do you think?
I don't know, pure chocolate?
Very smooth. Another flavor.
It's 100% cocoa and handmade. Coffee beans covered in chocolate, beans, yes.
Seeds.
How do you say rain in Nicaragua? Rain, rain.
It's delicious, menos
Cacao.
This is called a nicotella. How original is nicotella? It does not contain palm oil, it does not contain milk, it does not contain salad fats, it contains more cocoa, less sugar, and it is no longer healthy. Let's see, nicotella. To put on toasted bread, on waffles, on pancakes, on crepes for breakfast, to eat with a spoon. Correct also guaytella, which is with white chocolate, and
The white chocolate, what is it? It's another base.
it's made from cocoa, but it's made with cocoa butter.
Look at that.
Correct, sweeter.
Face of the fat girl, I like it.
What do you want? Cocoa tea?
Oh, are you going to take cocoa tea? Yes. Are you going to make it like that cocoa we bought in Ecuador?
No, because that one was not for eating, okay?
Perfect.
I'm really dizzy. You see that it affects me right away. Does it? What am I? Really dizzy?
With all that you drank?
All peace.
That was invented by the Mayans.
Stir the chocolate.
Stir the chocolate, stir the chocolate.
Stir the chocolate. Stir the chocolate. Stir the chocolate. Stir the chocolate.
Very good. And do you do this stir the chocolate thing with 20 people?
Imagine, it's like a mess. When New Yorkers come, they are boom one.
Bomb. Beautiful. The coffee museum.
Like it?
Yes, besides, they make you try everything.
You enter and you try liquor, chocolate, marabon.
They say you ended up a little drunk.
Then I immediately get a bit dizzy, then it passes. Very good, we're coming.
From the Coffee and Cocoa Museum, we got caught in a tremendous rain. Now we are going, as we already have lunch, we are going to the van to see what we have for lunch. What do you say?
We miss touring here, yes, there is.
More to explore. Fortunately, the sun reappeared promptly, allowing us to resume discovering the captivating streets of this stunning colonial city. Granada is a city to enjoy slowly, without hurry, strolling through its cobbled streets, or enjoying taking any little street, because you know that the next block will be as beautiful or even more beautiful than the one you're going through. To connect with the most popular part of the city, we head to the market, a place we love to explore in every city we visit. In addition to better prices and more produce, fresh.
It looks like we located the market. I'll check if they have what I need. How do we leave from here?
What did you buy? Little pepper, bell pepper, and tomato and...
Eggs?
Well, how did you do at the market?
I couldn't find much fruit.
So I went to a small shop. It's just like Bolivia, right?
The little barber shop where they cut your hair, the shoemaker, the bagged juices.
I enter a place like a gallery, with a blanket on the floor and various items scattered around. She almost threw a 20 on me. What shoes, what clothes, what this, what that. And one grabbed my breast.
A lady grabbed my breast and looked at it. And me? What do I do?
The people nearby began laughing. I'm unsure if the lady had a mental issue or if she attempted to grab my arm but failed.
I got a bit nervous, so I left. That's all.
Full of people, very crowded.
Of people?
Tremendous. Matcha, matcha. They were shouting at me from all sides. Matcha is...
blonde one.
avocado. They wanted to charge me $1 and something. Strange.
Yes. Let's go.
How are you, my love? I love divine people. What are you going to take, love, and all that very good vibes? What can I offer you? What can I serve? No, beautiful, beautiful.
Did you get what we needed?
I bought these little avocados. I bought 2. How much did they sell you? 40. Well, each of these is worth 10. Blah, blah, blah.
It's nice, isn't it?
There are many old vehicles in Costa Rica. How long have you been in Nicaragua?
And where did you come from?
And something strange just happened.
This gentleman who was talking to us, we were chatting, and he was telling us that there is a party today. About horses going around, that they are going to be here. He seemed like a boy on a bicycle. Angry, quite angry. And he says, don't listen to this man. He's a thief.
Troublemaker, troublemaker.
That we don't know what it is.
Could be a trickster because...
He locks up. When he talks about football, trickster, and thief, but super angry. So don't pay attention to him. The police are looking for him. So what happened?
He turned around, the one on the bike, and left.
The boy is assumed to be a Sandinista, while the man is not. He then explained that a man had passed by where the boy was and told him that people were being killed.
What do I know how much? And he got angry.
He arrived and treated him poorly, accusing him of being a thief and other related issues.
The thing is that the gentleman apologized, he left, and I was left with the idea of what?
What happens now? We leave the van here and we go to change to walk in front of the police or not?
We'll see. We'll know later. Nicaragua was totally divided between Sandinistas and opponents. The crisis only emphasized the differences. But we will talk about that in the next video, where we will get to Masaya, the place where the hardest confrontations took place. For now, we decided to ask the police if we could park the van on the property at night to sleep. What did the police tell us? Excellent. The truth is that we can come and stay there peacefully. Under some little trees, there is a special place where they allow you to stay. Despite the criticism, the truth is that Supervino is kind. So, we will come to sleep here at night, and the days we stay in Granada, we are supposed to stay around here.
She felt like going pee.
What are you going to do, my love? We are
having lunch. The girl passed by and said, you climb.
Let's see if you fall. Let's see if you fall.
Oh no, not on top of me. No, over there. Don't lean over there.
What does it feel like? Fine, respond and...
Everything respond and everything says, do you want to leave?
No, no, no.
Go, she's gentle.
So?
No, no, no.
What doesn't exist?
And doesn't enjoy all that Nicaragua offers.
Go the genius. Cynthia is brave.
There goes the fat one. Look!
Are you ready?
Oh, damn it!
On the other side, the firefighters arrived because Cynthia couldn't control the horse. Okay.
What did you think?
It was very good.
What happened?
I was going hard, pressing, then this was rubbing me until I realized it really hurt. A lot.
Thank you. How nice.
Are the horses scaring you, blonde?
Yes, they get very close to me.
And how do they do it? Yes.
That's how the place is. Tremendous music everywhere, and it's going to be all night. Cynthia is asking the officer if there's another place to sleep, as they won't be able to rest like this.
Nothing.
No.
He said it would remain this way throughout the night.
That...
In Central Park, it's until 12, but that it's not safe. He doesn't recommend it for sleeping.
And we have the Red Cross where...
You have to pay.
There are many free options. Would this be the case if there wasn't a party?
Yesterday there was too much noise at the police, which is where we went to sleep. But Cynthia came to this place to take a shower, and I stayed talking with Luis, who is the owner of the place.
Very good vibes, very good vibes.
He ended up inviting us to try some cosillo while Cynthia was bathing, and he said we could park here behind his yard without issue. We're further from the nightclubs and noise of the music. We arrived and slept better, though not great. Good vibes, Luis. Now we're going to stop over there, because there's a cooler shade to have breakfast. It's not being able to say. We're going to dig into the last remaining donuts with this view. Very beautiful.
Leaving a review for the mechanic on the app to help others find them. Everything was very good.
We are leaving Granada.
A bit hot but beautiful. Granada.
Truth is, it's a city to visit, experience, and enjoy. It's incredibly beautiful and colonial, with colorful little houses striking doors and windows.
If your blood pressure drops due to the 35 to 40 degree temperature, do you take some coca liqueur? Right there in the Desire.
The truth is, we've had a great time. We're back on the road again. The distances here in Nicaragua are short, very short. You don't have to drive much. And do you have a day on the road? We have 19 kilometers to the next city, us.
We prepare to hit the road. If not, no.
So, imagine quickly. In a little while, we will be in Masaya, visiting a very artisanal city.
Shall we go there?
Let's go today in this